potatoes, eggs and coffee beans. Once upon a time a daughter complained to her father that her life was miserable and that she don't know how she was going to make it. She was tired of fighting and struggling all the time. It seemed just as one problem was solved, another one soon followed. Her father, a chef, took her to the kitchen. He filled 3 pots with water and placed each on the high fire. Once the 3 pots began to boil, he placed potatoes in one pot, eggs in the second pot, and ground coffee beans in the third pot. He then let them sit and boil, without saying a word to his daughter. The daughter moaned and impatiently waited, wondering what he was doing. After 20 minutes, he turned off the burners. He took the potatoes out of the pot and placed them in a bowl. He pulled the eggs out of the placed them in a bowl. He then ladled the coffee out of the placed in the cup. Turning to her, he asked, "Daughter, what do you see?" "Potatoes, eggs, and coffee," she hastily replied. "Look closer," he said, and touched the potatoes. She did and noted that they were soft. He then asked her to take an egg and break it. After pulling off the shell, she observed the hard boiling egg. Finally, he asked her to sip the coffee. Its rich aroma brought a smile to her face. "Father, what does this mean?" she asked. He then explained that the potatoes, the eggs and coffee beans had each faced the same adversity, the boiling water. However, each one reacted differently. The potato, when it strong, hard and undulating, but in boiling water, it becomes soft and weak. The egg was fragile with the thin outer shell protecting its liquid interior until it was full in the boiling water. Then the inside of the egg became hard. However, the ground coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling water, they changed the water and created something new. "Which are you?" he asked his daughter. "When adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you potato, an egg, or a coffee bean?" Moral: in life, things happen around us, things happen to us. But the only things that truly matter is what happens within us. Which one are you? Have a nice day. People star MS Murthy.
2 BHK, 3 BHK, shops, restaurant, supermarket and commercial. Available for rent in Kolattur. Nearby Meridian Hospital, Kumaran Hospital, backside of Red Terry. Please contact 9034555554.
நம்ம வாழ்க்கையில கிடைக்கிறது கிடைக்காம இருக்காது, கிடைக்காம இருக்கிறது கிடைக்கவே கிடைக்காது. அந்த மாதிரி கிடைக்கவே முடியாத ஒரு விஷயம் டக்குன்னு கிடைச்சிட்டா கிடைச்சாச்சு. நம்ம KRM 99 டிலைட்ஸ்ல லேக் வியூ அபார்ட்மெண்ட் வசதியோட மெட்ரோ ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன் எதிரில், அதுவும் கொளத்தூர்ல பிளாட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அவைலபிளா இருக்கான். உடனே பிளாட்ஸ் புக் பண்ணுங்க, ஃபேமிலியோட சந்தோஷமா இருங்க.